Nation News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff with us now. Jason, we're wrapping up summer, which is kind of a blessing right now. We need that rain to come in and air, help out. That would probably help out quite a bit with the air quality too.
Fantastic. We have a slight chance for rain. There's not a lot of rain in the forecast, but we do have a chance in part of our viewing area for a little bit of light rain here. I just wanted to show you this really pretty view. Looking out from the Rattlesnake Peak, we have some sunshine visible through the smoke and even a few cirrus clouds. A really pretty view there. It's also just nice to see that blue color, but at least the air quality is going the right direction. Temperatures, though, don't know that it's late summer. It feels a little more like midsummer around Chico. 91 degrees, still lots of smoke and haze in the air, but kind of a pretty afternoon just to the south of the Chico area. Redding, 89 degrees right now. Some smoke in the air, but certainly not as bad as it has been. Red Bluff, 90 degrees. Also a hazy day. The breezes have been blowing 16 miles an hour, and also near Oroville, as you can see where this camera is, 93 degrees right now. South-southeasterly winds at 14 miles an hour, but not as smoky as it has been. We are going to have a little bit less wind tomorrow afternoon. We'll still call it breezy for Friday. Temperatures are cooler. Look at this. We have not had highs in the upper 70s to upper 80s around our region for a long time, except when we had so much smoke that we just didn't have any sunlight. We'll still have some gusty wind at times, upwards of 30 miles an hour. So we're going to keep the fire danger in the moderate to high category, especially for our eastern counties where red flag warnings continue from Modoc County south through Lassen and Plumas County all the way until tomorrow evening for Lassen and Plumas, until 8 o'clock tonight for Modoc County. But temperatures comfortable around most of the region. 80s for some 90s. That's really about it, though. The breezes are blowing a lot of sustained wind between 15 and 25 miles an hour, but we've had some gusts in excess of 25 to 30. So not a lot of cloud cover right now. However, as you can see, here comes that cold front. There's going to be a slight chance for rain showers, not much falling by this time tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, mainly over Trinity County, Siskiyou County, to a lesser extent, western Shasta County. This we don't want to see. An isolated shower, thunderstorm rather, to give us some lightning strikes we do not need. We don't want any more lightning-caused fires, obviously, but once we get past Friday night, it really begins to clear out. And also, once we get past Friday afternoon, the wind will subside. We'll still have some gusty wind tomorrow, especially in our eastern counties, upwards of 25 to 30 miles an hour, but far weaker wind for us on Saturday and Sunday. The final weekend of summer is just about upon us. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. Expecting highs to be significantly cooler, mainly 70s with still some gusty wind. Scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms for the northern mountains. For the Sierra, we're just going to have that gusty wind, which we don't want. Highs mainly in the 70s tomorrow, up to 75 degrees for high in Paradise, 73 degrees for Magalia. It'll be a breezy afternoon, but not quite as windy as today. For the valley tonight, we'll have lows in the 50s for the most part. Daytime highs mean the lower 80s, certainly below average and cooler than today. And for the Chico area, we'll have lows in the upper 50s and lower 60s. Highs tomorrow with a little bit more afternoon sunshine, still some gusty wind at times. Upper 70s and lower 80s, we'll take that for mid-September. That's pretty nice. For the next 7 days in Chico, we're going to have a little bit more warmth this coming weekend, more breezes Monday and next Thursday, and fall begins early Tuesday morning. Highs are going to stay in the 80s for Redding, also 80s across the board, 82 degrees on Friday and 87 degrees on the final full day of summer.
Thanks, Jason.